Hello, this is Brenda Dean, and today I'm going to show you how to repair your stamps. Here I have a wood mount stamp, and I've used it quite a bit, and it has come off of the foam pad. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of Crystal Effects and put a little bit on the foam rubber. I'm going to put enough, but not a whole lot, because I don't want it to seep out all over. And then I'm just going to put it back on the foam and give it a press, and then I'll let it dry. And that's it. Perfectly ready to stamp in no time. If you have any other questions, please let me know, as I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.